way to engage with people is to reward them.
Yes.
So the first station is the candy stop station,
Okay.
where children are allowed to play with the train. They can stop the train, they can move the signal, and they are allowed to pick up the candies from the wagon.
Okay.
So this is the first form of engagement as soon as you enter NeverEnuf.
So we have called it as a candy stop.
Station. It is a candy station, yes.
Candy station.
And the candies are manufactured in a factory which is called the Big Nut Candy.
Okay.
Right across.
Oh, they're in the station, they are manufactured, and then here, after the train stop,
By pressing the button,
they get it.